Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to unbox our paper pumpkin. This is Paper Pumpkin March 2024, and it is called Memorable Meadows. So let's go ahead, and March is actually an anniversary month for Paper Pumpkin, so they always give a little bit extra. So let's go ahead and look. And here it is. They gave us an extra, I don't know which one is which. They gave us an extra stamp set. So I'm assuming this is the extra stamp set. So usually they're littler like this, and then this must be the extra one, and they're beautiful flowers. I don't know if you could see them, but we will see them shortly when we do our live. And the color is garden green. So let's continue. And we're going to see what else is in here. I love opening these. They're so much fun. So when you order Paper Pumpkin from me, you get invited to come to my Paper Pumpkin Live, and I do it live, and I do put it out on my channels, but you can actually sit in my Zoom live. So if you're part of my team, you can come, because I'm assuming you're going to get your Paper Pumpkin from yourself, and that way you make your sales also. And so you get invited. Ooh, do I see wood in here? All right, let's see. I think I see some wood. Okay, here we go. Let's start with this. So these are the stamp sets. Yes, Memorable Meadows. You've been on my mind. Have a beautiful birthday. Heartfelt thanks. This beautiful little daisy. It's the little things that matter. And then we have some more daisies here. We've got some little dots. We've got the daisies with that are outlined, but then you can fill them in with this. You can fill in the pieces here, and then this can go on there. So lots of fun. We do make alternatives, so we'll be playing with everything in this box, and that is on the first Wednesday of each month. So is that next Wednesday? I think it is next Wednesday. So here's the instructions. It looks like it's 9 different cards, or actually 3 different cards, 3 of each, so 9 cards in total. They always give the instructions, and they give a little ruler on here, and then they even show you some of their own alternatives. And look at that. Woo! I did see wood. I did see some. Let's just go there, right? So this is just cardboard that keeps everything straight, and we're going to go right to that wood. So we've got some nice wood pieces here. It looks like they are some leaves here, maybe a plant of some sort, and then this looks like a tree. Oh, so fun. So that is that, and it's like, I don't know if it's balsa wood or what it is, but it is nice. And they are nice and cut out there. And then we've got our bases. I love that it goes all the way across, because guess what? When you decide to do like an alternative, you could cut it, and that'll make 2 cards. So instead of making, 3 of the same exact card, you can make 1 card the way they do it, and then you can make 4 more cards using these cuts. You can also decide to cut them smaller and use them all different ways. But we've got those 3 for 1 base. We've got another set of 3 here. 1, 2, 3 of that beautiful sky with like a meadow here and a stream. Let's see if we got another base here, what this is. Okay, this is also a base. Oh my goodness. Look at this. So you could use this for scrapbooking as well. So pretty. And these cards are going to open that way. Again, I would make 1 card as is, and then probably maybe a scrapbook page and a couple cards, or I could do it for some journaling. Just beautiful. These are gorgeous. So then we have some labels here. We've got 4 different labels. Actually 4 of the same labels, and then 4 other tags here. So we've got 4 of those, and then these are kind of barrel shaped tags or labels as well. And you can use them. If you don't like the gold, you just use this side. If you do like the gold, you use this side. Then this is like a lovely, what color? Is this a gorgeous grape maybe? But it is beautiful. And it's a vellum. So you can see it's 2 different colors there. And again, you can use either side. And then we've got some more vellum, and this is a little rectangle shape. So we've got 3 of those and 6 of these. And then, of course, envelopes. And the envelopes always match so beautifully. And these are so cute. They've got round flaps. So again, you can, let's see how far down this goes. This goes all the way down. So you can also take this apart, use some of this as background paper. Just some gorgeous papers that can be used so many different ways. And then, let's see, all the goodies. When you buy a paper pumpkin, it comes with 1 block, and you just continue using that block every time after that. So the first paper pumpkin you buy, you get 1 block. But we've got some nice little sequin already has glue on them. So we've got those. We've got some dimensionals. It comes with a good amount. This is definitely going to be more than enough for the card. And then it comes with glue dots as well. So all you need, I mean, it comes with everything. It comes with the ink, it comes with the glue, and some dimensionals, any embellishments, your stamps. The only thing you need to bring each month is your scissors in case you need them, and your block. I also like to bring my take your pick tool, my bone folder, my glue, and my Stampin' Seal, just because sometimes it's just easier to quickly run that rather than using these little minis, and I save these mini glue dots for something else. So that is everything, you guys. I cannot wait to have you guys join me live. Again, it is going to be the first Friday of the month, and I don't remember the exact time that I do it, but I will put that out in my newsletter that's going to be coming out soon. And I also put it on my social media, and everywhere I can be on social media is Beauty and the Stamper. So you can look at me that way. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Just look for Beauty and the Stamper and you should be able to find me. All right, beauties, I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, a great rest of the week, and I hope to see you next Wednesday when we put this together live. All right, have a wonderful evening. Bye.